to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I got this makeup look right here. I really like the way it turned out. So if you want to know how I got this makeup look, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with a mask, and this is the soothing and revitalizing turmeric face mask, and it says it's a soothing honey with anti-inflammatory turmeric extract, and it revitalizes tired skin and renews it to reveal a healthy looking youthful glow. So I'm gonna leave it on for about 5 minutes. And so as we all know, skincare is very essential. Let's try to protect our skin, keep it hydrated all the time. So what I'm doing now is I'm pressing the excess product into the skin and then rubbing it until it dries down. So whilst I was doing that, I realized my skin was very tacky. Now going in with this Pond's oil control pomade. Before that, I'm applying some lip balm to keep my lips hydrated, and then applying the Pond's. So as you can see, I'm focusing exactly where I mostly get oily. Moving on to the brows, I'm brushing them up with the spoolie. So unfortunately, I lost the footage where I was filling in my brows with the brow pencil. But anyway, let's go ahead and then carve out the brows with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. So now I'm gonna go in with this MAC Studio Finish Concealer at the outer V of my brows, and this is going to lift up my brow bone and then highlight it as well. Now I'm blending the concealer out with the brush, and then going in with the concealer again. I'm going to apply it all over the lid to serve as an eyeshadow base. So with this, when your eyeshadow goes on, it's going to look flawless and even. So now going in with this mini sponge to even everything out. Now for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette and then going in with the dark brown shade. So as you can see, I'm just tapping it on because my lids are very sticky. I didn't set my concealer. So in order to prevent it from moving, I'm just going to tap it on, and this is going to set it as well. So I use the concealer because I want to get the pigment out of the eyeshadow. So as you can see, I'm building it up to intensify it a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with the lighter shade to diffuse out the edges, to blend it out, to get rid of the harsh line. I'm losing my vocabulary, guys. So now I'm going back and forth to really blend it out, and then going in with that lighter shade to also blend out the edges as well. So I'm going back and forth, and this is going to give us that gradient effect. Now spraying my brush with the setting spray and then going in with this copper gold shade at the center of my lid. So to really get the pigment out of this shade, you have to wet your brush to apply it with it. So now I'm going in with that dark brown shade to diffuse out to blend out the two shades together to get that gradient effect. Now to line my eyes, I'm going in with this NARS eyeliner, and I'm not going to wing it out. I'm just going to leave it at the corner. Now some mascara as well. So everything I used here will be listed in the description box down below, and then popping on some lashes. So if you want me to make a video on how to apply falsies, please let me know in the comment section. So now moving on to the face, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade Coconut 355 Coconut. I'm using a brush to apply my foundation. So as we all know, this foundation is a full coverage, so I'm going in with the sponge to even everything out, and then also to soak up the excess product as well. Now to contour, I'm going to be using this MAC cream contour palette. I'm going to contour my cheeks, the forehead. I have a big forehead. So and then contouring my nose as well. To blend it out, I'm using the same brush I used to apply my foundation. So at this point, I realized I put too much product on the forehead, but don't worry, we're gonna make it work. So to conceal, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer to highlight the places needed to be highlighted. So which is the under eyes, the bridge of the nose, then the forehead and the chin as well. So I have some darkness around my mouth, so I'm going to highlight that place as well. I mean conceal that place as well. And then going in to sharpen my eyeshadow. And then gently blending it out. So now I'm using the back of my sponge to blend out the concealer and then the contour together to get rid of any harsh line. So now to set my concealer, I'm going in with the NARS setting powder to set my concealer. And then to bake as well. So now back to the eyes, I'm doing the same thing I did in my crease under my eyes. Now I'm applying the copper gold shade and then blending it out with the dark brown shade. Now I'm applying some mascara at the bottom lashes. Now going in with this classic makeup, I'm going to blend out my powder, my setting powder with it. And then setting the rest of my face as well, and then blending everything together. Now to contour, I'm using the darkest shade in the palette to contour, to set my contour. Then contouring my nose as well to keep it snatched. Now for blush, I'm going in with this blush by the Balm Cosmetics. To set the whole of my face, I'm going in with the NYX matte finish setting spray and then lining my lips with the MAC pencil. So I'll leave everything I used in this video in the description box down below. And then for my lipstick, I'm going in with this chocolate brown lipstick. This is legit my favorite lipstick ever. And then now going in with this pinkish nude mini lipstick at the center of the lips. And then going in to highlight the face as well from that same Classic Beauty palette. So I'm highlighting the bridge of my nose. So for my lips, I went ahead and then applied some gloss on top of it. And that's the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial and I hope you liked it as well. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think about this look, and also if you have any suggestions about my next video, please leave it in the comment section down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, join the family, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye.